Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Armor X12, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, we will want to open up the content that we wish to capture. Just make sure that it is just simply opened on your screen and visible. Once it is, you just need to press the power button and volume down at the same time. Now I'll be capturing the home screen as an example for this. So when you start holding them, you get this flash along with a pop-up with share and edit buttons visible here for a brief moment, and this will disappear like it just did. So when it disappears, you can find the captured screenshot by going into your gallery application, and it will be visible under photos. You can see it as the newest one, but if you're trying to find your screenshot that I've captured some time ago, it might be easier to navigate to folders and then select screenshots. And here you will find screenshots and nothing else. And here's the one that I've captured a moment ago. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.